Hello, immigration attorney Michael Ibrahim here. Today, we're going to discuss a very useful and important tool for certain Ukrainians abroad. On April 21st, 2022, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security announced that it would implement provisions to help certain Ukrainians abroad enter the United States. The program is now known as Uniting for Ukraine. Uniting for Ukraine allows certain Ukrainian nationals and citizens to enter the United States with permission, with a duration of status and permission to remain for 2 years. The program also includes the immediate relatives of these applicants. In order to qualify, the individual must be a bona fide Ukrainian citizen or the immediate relative of a Ukrainian citizen or national. Applicants must prove that they were living in Ukraine on or before February 11, 2022, the approximate date of the Russian invasion. Immediate relative for purposes of Uniting for Ukraine is defined as a spouse, a common law partner, or a child under 21. Each applicant requires a sponsor. Sponsors must prove that they are U.S. citizens or permanent residents, or in any other type of valid legal immigration status. The sponsor must prove that they are in a position to financially support the applicant. The application process starts with the sponsor, in that the sponsor must file online a Form I-134, Affidavit of Support. Note, this step is done entirely online, and legal representatives such as attorneys have no access to these accounts. Here at our office, we are inviting our clients to come in person or remote so that we could work with the applicant in their own USCIS account to proceed with the process. Sponsors must demonstrate that they earn enough income or have enough assets, or a combination of the two, in order to financially sponsor their applicant. USCIS needs to know the sponsor will be able to provide food, shelter, clothing, and other costs of living during the applicant's time here in the United States. USCIS is asking for bank statements, proof of employment, and other documents such as federal tax returns, pay stubs, and asset disclosures. Sponsors should also have the beneficiary's biographical information ready to disclose. Note, multiple people may join to sponsor an applicant, but this requires additional documentation. Once USCIS deems the I-134 Affidavit of Support sufficient, it is then passed along to US CBP, or Customs and Border Protection, for further analysis. Applicants in Ukraine must be ready to provide biographical information and take biometrics, as well as indicating that they are vaccinated. Applicants are then issued a parole document that would allow them to enter the United States with permission, valid up to 2 years from the date of entry. Please note, as of now, there's no permanent pathway to residency or citizenship for Uniting for Ukraine applicants. However, once in the United States pursuant to a valid parole, certain Ukrainian nationals may qualify for additional immigration benefits. Of course, every case is different, so if you have doubts, contact an immigration attorney. If you or a loved one are interested in learning more about Uniting for Ukraine, contact Ibrahim Law Office today.